Hello, good evening, everybody. Again, it's a Thursday, beautiful evening. Rains, the monsoon, the clouds. Happy to see you all here. So let's have these questions. So I have somebody who's already sent me a request here. Is Mozaza? Let me see who he is. Go live with just a.
Hello,
Okay, hi.
ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
Ma'am, it's Mojaza.
Okay. Again, repeat for me.
Mojaza. It means miracle in Urdu.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. चलो आज कुछ मिरेकल करते हैं.
Yes,
Miraculous.
ma'am.
Let's do some miraculous conversations now.
Yes,
Yeah, tell
ma'am.
me.
So, ma'am, I started my own Instagram account, a different Instagram account. So, I've done fashion styling earlier, and now I'm pursuing BDES, fashion designing, and of course, from Arch College. So, my question is like, how can I take my virtual business into an offline mode? Like, I'm facing a hard time in reaching out people. So, what is your suggestion on this? Please tell me.
See, so what products are you making?
Ma'am, right now I am focusing, my page name is Celestial Styling. So it basically means, the zodiac signs along with the fashion industry. So I'm gonna solve people's need according to their zodiac signs. For example, some Aries comes to me, or they just tell me about the basic stuff, like, what a stylist would want to know, your personal preferences, your date of birth according to the, if we keep the celestial thing in part. So if they'll tell me all of that, I'm going to figure out according to an Aries what all colors will suit them at that point of time or at that
Uh-huh.
particular month, or the numbering. So we have to keep in mind the numbering as well. So if the
Uh-huh.
lucky number is 2, so I would like to coordinate two pieces of garment together. So this way,
Okay.
I know it's a little different, and I've seen a very few people following this. Like, I've researched a little bit about it, and there are very few designers, and majorly they are not from India.
Okay.
Plus, I
So
would
I'm not
love
going
to
to make it
inculcate
very
these two
serious.
together.
Without making it much serious, let me tell you something. That
Yeah,
I wear colors as per the days, right? So Monday
yeah,
I would generally pick up a white,
yeah,
unless and until it's just that I want to break the norm. I would pick up from my wardrobe that's white. Tuesday I'll pick up red. Wednesday I take on greens. Yellow, today is Thursday, so I'm in yellow.
yeah,
You see me most of the time that way. And Friday it's either a gray or a white. Then Saturday it's a blue, black, or a purple, and
yeah.
Sunday is a magenta, a fuchsia color. So very interesting. I like your concept.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
see again that you don't want to make people become superstitious about it, because anything that gets you to become conditioned in a particular way,
Yeah,
it's not good in the long run, because
okay.
these are things which might be elevating from the perspective that you are in your own style.
Yeah,
But I mean, you'll have to be very careful when you do something like this, when you really want to don't want to get people to become rigid about it. But yes, it could be adding that little character, a talking point, more than that,
yeah.
more than anything else. Yeah. But yes, when you do certain things, yes, it does go well with the cosmos and the cosmic energies. So the colors definitely have a huge impact on our life, and I
Yes,
think it's a
ma'am.
great concept that you've developed. But
Thank you, ma'am.
how well you manifest it and how you unfold it for people, in the sense that they can connect with it. For that, while I think Instagram is the best place, because young people, and I think all influencers, when it comes to even the big people, they are all on Instagram. So why do you want to go offline in terms of your this thing? Because right
Ma'am,
now
yeah.
offline interaction is very limited, and I don't think it's even the right time to think on those lines. It's the time that the times is now all about the digital. So how good you are going to be on the digital platforms is what is going to have you stand apart. You don't need to be offline doing that kind of thing. You can do all the consultancy online. I mean, look at the way we are chatting. You could do chats with your clients. You could do a lot of styling in terms of the kind of brands that you want them to pick up. So I think there's a lot of opportunity, but I think after another 6 more months, when things are more settled, definitely then you should start thinking. Right now the time for you is to completely leverage the online platform, because once you start offline, you will not get the time to then go on online and do that kind of stuff. So
Yes, ma'am.
you need to make the max out of the online space right now.
All right, ma'am.
Yeah, does that answer your question?
Yes, ma'am. And secondly, the concept behind this whole thing was that I feel the way you said that it specifically serves a particular community of the group, of the society. So I was keeping in mind only those people who, follow this Cosmo thing very religiously. Because I feel as a budding designer that there are certain sects of people or certain groups of people who are not a part of the fashion industry, and they feel it's a very much of a kind of thing to be a part of the fashion industry, being you have to stay updated, you have to do certain things. But if they will, like, for example, just the way you said, there are certain days on which you wear certain colors, so it helps you a lot, I feel, in picking up the outfits in the morning and stuff like that. So it's just a little initiative to understand people better. And I feel that this Cosmos thing is also important, and I know it's a little superstitious as well, so
No,
I'll
it's
try to
not
keep that.
superstitious. It's not superstitious at all.
Okay, ma'am.
Um, when I say something like it's not like, again, you don't want to make it like a dogma. You don't want to make, but yes, you have to have the purpose. I think you need to do a little more research around it, because, it
Okay,
has to
ma'am.
really connect with people and should give them the value that we are talking about. So if we just make it
Yes,
like
ma'am.
more like a jargon kind of a thing, that it's another inspiration that you've taken, I think that's not what one should be doing.
All right,
Do
ma'am.
you live with something? Because see, when it comes to me, I've been doing this as a young girl.
Yeah.
So because I feel my connection with my planet, the planetary positions or whatever, is my, it's my little humble connect with them in the way I dress up every day. So I'm remembering them. I'm actually
Yeah.
acknowledging the higher energies, right? So that's the way, when you connect with things, you can actually make it. Otherwise, say, I mean, it's not that, you don't wear colors. So you have to do a little more research in terms of why you want people to adapt.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So I know, as I said, go on with the digital. Right now, it's the time for you to focus on the digital, and
Yes,
definitely you will
ma'am.
get a lot of time then later on to be offline. Yeah.
All
Thank you,
right,
dear.
ma'am.
Thank you for joining me
Thank you,
today.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you. God bless.
Thank you, ma'am.
So Anu is saying, please, how Arch is better option than Pearl? Okay, so I'm just going to answer this. See, it's not about anybody good or bad or better or... see, it's in the eyes of young people like you who are comparing. No two human beings can be compared. In the similar manner, no two institutions should be compared. They have their own identity. They have their own way of doing things. They have their own signature style of doing. Like, two designers are completely different. It's just that there is somebody who likes Manish Malhotra. There's somebody who likes Sabyasachi. There was somebody who would like Manish Arora. So similarly, because of the kind of the style and the character they possess, similarly, every institution has a very unique character. Pearl Academy has a very different character, and Arch Academy, which we were also Arch Academy now we are Arch College of Design and Business, we have a very separate character. So we are very individual centric. We are more very student centric. Our numbers are very small. We don't have very large numbers. We make sure that every individual we can invest with. We can make sure that every individual emerges, as I created my career as, from a very small space with just 2 rooms and, a very humble beginning. So we look at people being, rather than glamour stricken, we want glamour, that they have to see glamour in every bit of the hard work that they've put into. So our philosophy is to look at more entrepreneurship. We would look at more enterprise-driven thinking, because I'm an entrepreneur. So entrepreneurship is something that's very core to Arch. मैं किसी को चाहे entrepreneurship आर्च में पढ़ाऊं या ना पढ़ाऊं, वो अपने आप entrepreneur बन के निकलता ही निकलता है. Because that's the way we teach, that's the way we conduct, that's the way we operate with people, right? So that's something I would like to say. As far as design is concerned, both, we sit on all the international forums like the way Arch, even Pearl Academy are sitting. So we meet on common forums, we connect with each other, the faculty and everybody. We co-create a lot of times together as well. So, with forums like IFTI, the International Foundation for Fashion Technology Institutions, the Cumulus, which is another big forum of 250 member plus institutions across the globe. Then we've got the World Design Organization. So we sit on all these forums at the same time, sharing good practices with each other. So I would like to say that, if you are looking at Arch, you have to know that Arch is somewhere we want you to be very original. We want you to be enterprise oriented. We want you to be a giver. A giver is very important. तुम्हें कुछ इतना कुछ मिला है, तुम क्या दोगे? What's going to be your footprint, day by day? What are you going to create? So if you are looking at something like this, yes, I'm there to, our faculty, our expert faculty, we are all there to serve you. We are a very compact institution. We have a lot of interdisciplinary learning. So our facilities, from jewelry to interiors, they're all available. Whether you are from fashion, you can go to the interior lab, you can work on the woodwork lab with the laser cutters. So आपके लिए interdisciplinary learning बहुत available है, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ group sizes हम छोटा रखते हैं. And then, we've got the university affiliated degree that we have. And we also have an international study abroad courses. So एक बहुत बड़ा फर्क ये है कि हमारे पास में 3 different level के undergraduate programs हैं. एक है 4 years bachelor's in design from University of Rajasthan. दूसरा हमारा है इंटरनेशनल स्टडी अब्रॉड. सो 3 year आप यहाँ इंडिया में पढ़ते हैं, 4th year you travel to UK universities to complete a degree in just 1 year. वो हमारा इंटरनेशनल स्टडी अब्रॉड प्रोग्राम है. And then we have a BVOC, which is a vocational qualification in, again, same fashion, jewelry, interior, graphics and products. So what I mean to say here is that as per the user, see, again, a learner is different. So that's why we've got 3 different kind of undergraduates. बिकॉज लर्नर की नीड भी अलग है. हर लर्नर को डिजाइन नहीं सीखना, हर को किसी को टेक्नोलॉजी की तरफ ज्यादा जाना है, किसको मर्चेंडाइजिंग की तरफ ज्यादा फोकस रखना है. So we try and ensure that our course offerings can support every learner. So that's something that's very unique to us. And then our master's course is purely in design and entrepreneurship. And why design and entrepreneurship? Because we believe in that and we do what we believe in. And incubation is something that we do. I do a lot of mentorship outside of Arch. I run a women mentors forum in the city to make sure that a lot of young people, we can invest in the young generation. Because when I went to the US, I had my mentor who invested with me. So I am then investing in the next generation of young women. So every month we have a business pitch event that I do for the women in the city. And these are not students of Arch Academy at all. These are not students of Arch College at all. And yet, we connect with each other. We make sure that women find their dreams and we can support each other. So that's how Arch is very unique and distinct. We work with the community. We work with the craftsmen. We've done the Jaipur Metro uniform project completely. We've done it, around 54 pieces of uniform that we've done for 6 different levels of the staff of the Jaipur Metro Rail Corporation. So we work with the crafts community. We just did an international fashion colloquium. We had, 60 researchers from 30 plus institutions with 15 countries coming and representing during this colloquium. We tied at with the Jaipur Literature Festival. We had the fashion show at Damer Fort in Khadi. Yes, so we are very handloom. We are very handcraft oriented. So we make sure that, we love our nation, in our knowledge, in our education, we try and embed a lot of indigenous knowledge and with a global thinking from a global perspective and make sure that students have a big vision, the big vision, the big dream to make a difference and be future ready. So that's what we are. So I'd like to say that, please, there's no comparison. We all are different, though we are like as I said, there's so many fashion designers, but everybody has a unique character and a style. Similarly, every institution, whether it's NIFT or Pearl or Arch College of Design and Business, we are all very different in our character, yet there's a lot of similarity between us. And the similarity is that we all are investing in the youth, and we want the youth to be empowered through design education. They find a better career for themselves, a rewarding career where they can make a happy lifestyle for themselves. Yeah. So can an MBA student, just a second, yes, an MBA graduate can do interior design. Yes, so design is one beautiful thing. It requires your acumen in art, science, and commerce. So whether you're from the business aspect side, whether from your science student or an art student, all of them can fit into the design world very well, because the better you have an understanding of all the three, you're going to excel. And if you have it in one, I think you will learn the other aspects in design, because design is all about life. It's about how we relate, how we connect with our daily needs. So whether you're designing services or products, it's all human centric. So it's very interesting that anybody who's from any stream can become a designer. Yeah, because you're thinking about people all the time then. So there's a question, but how creativity will be generated within himself for design? Okay, so design thinking itself is a process which nurtures your creativity. अभी मैं आपको बोलती हूँ, on your tips, 2 मिनट में अगर आपको 20 सॉल्यूशंस ढूंढने हैं किसी प्रॉब्लम के, ये प्रॉब्लम का मतलब है या किसी भी चीज को लेकर के अगर आपको उसके यूज के अगर 20 आइडियाज ढूंढने, 2 मिनट का टाइम देती हूँ. कितनी रैपिड थिंकिंग करनी पड़ेगी आपको, विच मीन्स आपका ऑब्जर्वेशन स्किल बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए. दुनिया है हमें पढ़ाने के लिए, यहाँ किताबों की जरूरत नहीं है. यहाँ you need to see the world. You'll get ideas, abundance of ideas. So design is all about ideas and picking the best idea and making sure that that idea is taken till the end, जहाँ प्रोटोटाइपिंग तक ले जा करके उसको मार्केट टेस्ट करते हैं. सो डिजाइन के अंदर में गलती होने की संभावना ही नहीं है, because prototyping and testing is a very important part of design. And when you do that, you are then able to really serve the needs of what people need. तो अगर जो मार्केट में आज की तारीख में हम इतना अबंडेंस देख रहे हैं, सामान देख रहे हैं, चीजें बिक नहीं रही है, इन्वेंट्री लोगों के पास बड़ी पड़ी है, वो क्यों है? Only because they have not thought out in terms of design. If they had really worked on the design aspect, they would have never, उनको ये प्रॉब्लम कभी आती ही नहीं, कभी नहीं आती. So I hope my question answers the person who's asked me this question, that this is how creativity gets generated. You have to think, rapid thinking, ideas. We are all people of ideas. Where did our ideas go? जब किसी ने बोला जरूरत ही नहीं है यार, ये 2 बहुत है, तो नहीं, आपको 100 सोचने पड़ेंगे. जब भी आप आइडिया जनरेशन कर रहे हो, 100 आइडियाज में से आपको एक बेस्ट आइडिया चूज करना पड़ेगा. So you got to do mind mapping, you do a lot of brainstorming. So that's very much a part of design thinking, and that nurtures your creativity. Ma'am, from where can I do graphic designing and digital marketing in Jaipur? So you talking to the head of the institution, right? And I would definitely say that come to Arch College. Yeah, whether you want a 3-month course or a 4-year degree, we all have it here, right? So you don't have to think of any other place, and we are there to serve your needs. So कहीं और जाने की आपको जरूरत ही नहीं है. And you can come and meet our counselors on the campus. The campus is open. Go and see the infrastructure, see the facilities that we've got the beautiful Mac labs, we've got the digital plotters, laser cutters, 3D printers, सब कुछ है वहाँ पे. आप जाओ और देख कर के आओ, and जब बाद में कैंपस खुल जाएगा तब तो आप कर सकते हो. नहीं तो ग्राफिक्स के अंदर में तो सब कुछ डिजिटली काफी कुछ पॉसिबल है. एंड व्हेन यू लर्न, वी ट्राई टू मेक योर लर्निंग एज इक्वली एंगेजिंग, and that you would enjoy it even online. So just come to Arch and enjoy the fun of being together. So Lafangi sent a request. Who is ये क्या नाम है भाई? What's your name, my dear? Lafangi का नाम क्या है? मिताली पूछ रही है, मैम हाउ टू फाइंड माई ओन स्टाइल नीश. See, it does not happen overnight, my dear. Lot of work, lot of research, lot of observation, lot of experimentation. When you keep doing, you'll get a lot of feedback coming from people, and you will get them. You will have people giving you a lot of feedback. You will have a lot of insights that will keep coming to you. Your intuition will develop. So keep working, be passionate about what you do. आप जितना काम करोगे उतना ही आपका स्टाइल डेवलप होएगा. खूब स्टाइल डेवलप करने के लिए खूब काम करना पड़ता है, और खूब काम को डिस्कार्ड करना पड़ता है, तब जाकर के आपका स्टाइल डेवलप होता है. और मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल बताऊं. So when I was young, I started making a lot of clothes, right? And मैंने सुई धागा भी नहीं पकड़ा था. And जब मैंने किया तो मैं हर रोज एक गारमेंट पहना के बैठती, पहन करके, मुझे चाहे उसमें बटन्स नहीं लगे हो, मैं सेफ्टी पिन लगा के पहन लेती थी. And but I would never get people to know, definitely, for sure. And and I used to get a lot of appreciation, and then people started telling me, you're so good at it. And I just did a hobby course, and that's how I made it my career. And they said, your color sense is so good, how well you do it. So what I mean to say here, it's people who will tell you, they will start asking you questions, how you did it. That's how gradually your style will develop. So I hope, Mitali, I've answered your question that how will you find your style niche. So you have to do a lot of work, my dear. There's lots to be done. My friend has given an interview today in your college. Oh, thank you, dear. Thank you, Sumiti Bansal, for letting me know this. Ma'am, you have 3-month course in graphic designing. Yes, we have it. You can join that too. मुझे लफंगी ने भेजा था. लफंगी का नाम क्या है मुझे नहीं पता. लफंगी का नाम है आशीष. Okay, so Ashish, I'll just see your request again. Okay, so whatsoever by Shivali is waiting for me. I'll first add Shivali here. So I hope I'm really enjoying the conversation with you. Thank you guys for having all these questions, because if you didn't have these questions, it wouldn't have been fun for me sharing. And please give me a high five or whatever icons you have here to make sure that your answer has been questioned. You're happy with the question. If you still have more questions, make a question if you're not clear. Thank you, Priyanka, for the acknowledgement. I'm looking for... Hi, dear. How are you?
I'm great. So, ma'am, since I'm doing work in fashion designing from arts, and I've recently launched my own label. And being an entrepreneur, so in today's new normal, while dealing with vendors, like whether it's a printer or whether it's a fabric supplier. So what these people are doing, they are so smart. So what they do, they hide themselves under the name of like COVID. And they, since they don't really give commitment on the deliverables. So it's really frustrating sometimes while dealing with this. So how as a young entrepreneur, I should keep myself motivated for a smooth processing of the whole thing?
Okay. So, सबसे मजेदार बात ये है कि तुम्हारे को मोटिवेशन चाहिए, राइट?
यस मैम.
काम तुम्हारा है, बस यही बहुत बड़ा मोटिवेशन होना चाहिए. दुनिया ऐसी ही होगी. हर इंसान जूझ रहा है तकलीफ से, ठीक है? हर इंसान सोचता है 2 रुपये बचा लूं, काम कर सकूं, ठीक है? So I know it is difficult because everybody is sailing through the same things, and I think you have to try and understand them more and more. क्योंकि हम जब बिजनेस करते हैं ना, हम सोचते हैं कि भाई सब लोग ऑनेस्ट ही होने चाहिए और सभी ऑनेस्ट होते हैं. उनके हिसाब से वो ऑनेस्ट है, ठीक है? उनकी डीलिंग बिल्कुल फेयर है उनके हिसाब से. सो अब आप कैसे उनके साथ में करोगे? तो आप खुल के बात करो उनके साथ कि देखो भैया, आपको कहाँ है, क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या है? तुमको पैसे थोड़ी और ज्यादा चाहिए? तुमको कहाँ प्रॉब्लम है? तुमको क्या चाहिए? खुल के बात करोगे, आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा.
Okay. Because because the thing which was already going in the before this COVID thing. So there were some problems, but since this is COVID phase is going on, so people are really taking some responsibilities for granted. So now they have a reason of COVID, like I can deliver on time. So it's really like challenging for us to
Yeah, I
balance
know
all
that. See,
yeah.
maybe the challenges are genuine as well. And दूसरी तरफ लोग बहाने भी नहीं बना सकते हैं. दोनों ही बात हो रही होगी. So you
Yeah.
might have to try a couple of people. आपको एक के भरोसे नहीं रहना चाहिए.
Okay.
So you try and experiment with more people. There are a lot of people who need work, right? And अगर लोगों के पास में जो आलसी हैं थोड़े अभी घर बैठे बैठे और भी आलसी हो गए, तो उनके साथ मत काम करो. So अभी हो रहे हैं ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं जो इस बात का फायदा उठा रहे हैं. अच्छा इसलिए भी उठा रहे हैं because there's a lot of depression in the air, okay? And because there's a lot of depression, so not everybody is able to deal with this situation. It's not an easy situation for a lot of people. Only people who are committed, passionate, उनको कुछ नहीं फर्क पड़ेगा and ये कोविड आके चला जाएगा and they will move ahead. कुछ लोग होंगे वो इसी को बहाना बना करके बैठे रहेंगे. And you as a entrepreneur, if when you're driven, you don't have to work with such people. Okay. Talk to them. If you still don't find the answer, then it's gone. It's okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
अनन्या बोलती है आपके कॉलेज से अच्छा तो पर्ल है. आप आर्ट्स में आए थे क्या? आपने आर्ट्स में पढ़ाई करी है क्या? अगर आपने नहीं करी तो आप ये बोल नहीं सकते. राइट? इफ यू हैव स्टडीड और अगर फिर भी आपको पसंद नहीं आया तो देखिए हर कोई हर किसी को खुश नहीं कर सकता और हम शायद आपको खुश नहीं कर पाए होंगे. तो आप मुझे ये बताने के लिए आए हैं, उसके लिए भी आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. And you deserve a thank you for that also. Thank you so much, Diecast Divana. I love your answer. That's exactly what I said. So I think Ananya missed out my conversation that everybody is unique. हम ये कहेंगे कि भाई घर में मेरी मम्मी है ना, जैसी मम्मी मुझे चाहिए थी वैसी नहीं है ये. You know, but मम्मी तो जैसी मिली वैसी मिली. Right? So if anybody has, you choose. अगर आपने चूज किया तो आपके लिए वही बेस्ट है. सो इट डज नॉट मीन कि आपको दूसरे की लकीर छोटी करने की जरूरत है. राइट? सो अपनी लकीर लंबी करने के लिए दूसरों को छोटा नहीं करना है, अपनी लकीर को लंबा कीजिए. या हाय.
हेलो मैम, गुड इवनिंग.
इज दैट योर अकाउंट लफंगी?
यस मैम.
लफंगे और लफंगी?
Ma'am, Lafangi.
It's Lafangi. Okay. Why did you keep this name? I am curious. Yeah. Let's have a chat.
Ma'am, actually my friend changed it and people liked it, so I kept it.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's quite spirited and that's quite enterprising on your part.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good. Yeah, Ashish, question pucho.
Ma'am, I want to ask, since online resources are available, we can learn software skills online. So it is necessary or it is good to invest 4 years in a design college?
देखो बेटे एक बात समझो.
Yes, ma'am.
Design is a never learning process. ठीक है? NIT में एक जमाने में 6 years का अंडरग्रेजुएट डिप्लोमा होता था. 6 years. ठीक है? फिर वो धीमे धीमे 5 साल का हुआ, फिर वो 4 साल का हुआ. वर्ल्ड ओवर आज भी डिजाइन एजुकेशन 4 years की है. यूके ने फाउंडेशन कोर्स को हटा के 3 years करा to make sure that they are a little ahead and can grab more students, right? And लेकिन वो फिर भी इंसिस्ट करते हैं कि आपके पास फाउंडेशन इन आर्ट एंड डिजाइन होना चाहिए. सो ये एक सोच है. अगर ये हमारी स्कूल लेवल पर अगर हमको ये सोच दे दी जाए ना शुरू से, तो हमें इतने साल नहीं लगेंगे. पर क्योंकि हमारे पास में स्कूल लेवल पे ये थिंकिंग अवेलेबल नहीं होती है, सो डिजाइन एजुकेशन इज अ वेरी हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ एजुकेशन, आई वुड से. हमें सेल्फ के साथ जुड़ने का मौका स्कूल में बहुत कम मिलता है. आपकी स्कूलिंग में काफी इम्प्रूवमेंट आया है. अदरवाइज इट्स ऑल्सो बुकिश, राइट? सो डिजाइन में आपको बहुत एक्सप्लोर करना पड़ता है, क्योंकि बिकॉज यू हैव टू एक्सप्लोर अ लॉट, you need a lot of time to do that. And when you will see the 4-year curriculum, आप बोलेंगे अच्छा ये भी हमें तो ये भी नहीं करवाया, ये भी नहीं करवाया, ये भी नहीं करवाया, हमने तो ये भी नहीं किया. क्योंकि there is so much that you have to learn from the world that even after 4 years people go for masters because they still feel that there's so much to learn from the masters. Now, who are the masters? These are the industry practitioners. These are the people who worked in the industry for 20 years, 15 years. They come and teach you. So, आपको real lifetime projects करने पड़ते हैं. Real time projects जब आप करते हैं, so your whole exposure is very different. It takes time to understand the context, people, everything. And then जब मैंने कहा और दूसरी सारी एजुकेशन में रिसर्च एंड में आता है. डिजाइन एजुकेशन में रिसर्च सबसे पहले आता है. It comes first.
Yes,
so
ma'am.
if you have to do so much of research, you need so much of time. You need then prototyping. Prototyping में तरह तरह के मटेरियल्स के साथ आप एक्सप्लोर करोगे, आप बनाओगे. कितना टाइम लगेगा? आपको यहाँ हाथ से बनाना है सब कुछ. Even if you're working digitally, your computer is your machine that you're working with your hands. Digital is the new craft. Right? So did you get my answer? And
Yes, ma'am.
You know, when you learn with people,
Yes, ma'am.
सबसे अच्छी बात क्या है? जब आप ग्रुप में होते हो, लाइक माइंडेड लोगों के साथ बैठते हो, अपनी कम्युनिटी बनाते हो, जो सब डिजाइन के बारे में सोचते हैं, पर हर जना अलग सोचता है. यहाँ किसी का आंसर सेम नहीं.
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ किसी का आंसर सेम नहीं है. तो आप सोचो लर्न करने के लिए कितना लर्न करने के लिए कितना कुछ है. Right? So that is what is an opportunity that you need to grab in if you're doing a 4-year course. Right? Did I answer the question?
Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Ashish.
Absolutely, ma'am.
आप क्या करते हो, Ashish? What do you do?
Thank you, ma'am.
What do you do, Ashish?
Ma'am, I just completed my 12th.
Oh, which school?
Just pass out from school.
Which school?
Raja Mohan Roy, Dehradun.
Which school did you pass out from?
Raja Ram Mohan Roy.
Raj Mohan Roy.
Raja Ram Mohan Roy Academy.
Oh, where are
Raja
you
Ram Mohan Roy, that nationalist.
Yeah, I know that. But where are you from? Your voice is breaking, Ashish. But your voice is breaking. Which city are you from?
I'm Dehradun, Uttarakhand.
Okay, God.
Hello.
Good. See you. Bye. Bye.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we have Sarthak here waiting for us. Hi, Sarthak.
Namaskar, ma'am.
So
I'm fine, ma'am.
Wearing yellow, huh? Good to see
Yes,
you.
ma'am. Ma'am, so right now it's been around 4 years since I've joined your college.
It's not my college.
It's my college, yeah. Matlab, it's our college. So today, my question is this. Getting up determined every morning as a design thinker is a bit of a troublemaker for designers in this COVID pandemic and all. So my question revolves around the ways and tips through which we can explore the design thinker in ourselves. I mean, how to sleep satisfied as a design thinker and to wake up determined as a design thinker.
तो तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि डिजाइन थिंकर कोई एलियन है, किसी और दुनिया का है? नहीं. सो तुम जो हो ना, अभी भी तुम डिजाइन थिंकर ही हो, और तुम 5 मिनट बाद भी तुम डिजाइन थिंकर ही हो, और रात को सोते वक्त भी तुम वही हो. सो यू डोंट हैव टू बी, तुम्हें कोई एफर्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. तुम बहुत इसको एफर्टलेसली कर सकते हो.
मतलब it inside my DNA.
हाँ.
अच्छा, design is in my DNA.
Yes, it's in your DNA.
It's a matter of belief also. If we believe, then it is.
It is a matter of belief first of all. और belief के साथ में action. आपका
yes.
अब आपका एक्ट आपको पता है कि क्या है, वो उसके साथ मैच खाता है नहीं करता. आपको जब पता है कि डिजाइन थिंकर कौन होता है, और मैं हूं नहीं, मैं सोचता हूं या नहीं सोच रहा हूं, कब बनूंगा, सुबह हूं या शाम को, तो आपको सारी बातें पता है. तो आपको पता है कि व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ अ डिजाइन थिंकर.
Now I do.
Yes, so you are all the time.
So are we all design thinkers? We just have to realize it.
No, somebody might be a business thinker, somebody is a design thinker, somebody might be a art thinker. I don't know, there might be different kind of thinkers. डिजाइन थिंकर कौन होगा? जो सोल्यूशन ओरिएंटेड होता है, जिसके पास आइडियाज की कमी नहीं होती, आइडियाज बहुत आते हैं, उसको एक्सपेरिमेंट खूब करना होता है, ओपन माइंडेड होता है, ओपन टू लर्निंग होता है, पैशनेट होता है, और क्या है? और आई थिंक अगर कोई और थिंकर भी बोलूंगी वो भी यही होता है, बट खाली शायद डोमेन चेंज हो जाता है, बस एरिया थोड़ा सा चेंज होता है.
That's funny.
And the beautiful thing about design is it's so holistic. It's so holistic. So आप कुछ भी हो ना, आप डिजाइन तो हर जगह है. जैसे हम कहते हैं ना, भगवान हर जगह है, डिजाइन हर जगह.
मतलब डिजाइन में मेरे गिटार में भी अगर if I'm producing new song, so I'm designing a new song. Is that the case?
Yes. You're designing a business plan. सबसे ज्यादा वर्ड यूज होता है बिजनेस प्लान डिजाइन करके. You have to design your business plan.
It was so nice to talk to you after so much time.
Yes.
Things got more clear.
Can't forget all my your caricatures of me.
They are still in process. More to come, ma'am. More to come.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining, dear.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Vartika.
Hi, ma'am. Hope this lockdown treated you well.
Hello.
So, ma'am, my question is, if you could go back and tell yourself one thing before beginning your career in design industry, what could it be? Like, because you have had many challenges and backfalls. Managing it, being an entrepreneur and a designer, you might have faced situations where you might think you could have dealt it in a different way. So what could it be? Because you just now said that there is a depression in the air, there is so much behold, people are thinking there is so much going on because of corona. So what could you give as a grab and take it?
तुमने बहुत सारी चीजें एक साथ पूछ ली है. पहले तो तुमने बोला मैं यंग थी तो मैंने क्या सोचा था, फिर मैं डिजाइनर थी, फिर अभी कोविड आ गया. तो तुम वापस मुझसे रिपीट करो 2 लाइन में कि व्हाट इज योर क्वेश्चन.
Actually, the thing is, when you, like in past, when you were entering in the design field, you were going to be an entrepreneur and a designer. So what is that possible thing you could have changed so that like you could think that I could have dealt that possible problem in a different way? Like today you must be thinking.
Not at all. There's no regret. There's nothing different that I would have done. This is fantastic. Whatever has happened to me, I never planned it. And it came to me. So all my life is a bonus and a delight, my dear. So I have nothing to say कि मैंने ये क्यों नहीं किया. मैंने जितना सोचा उससे 10 गुना 10 गुना ज्यादा एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है. खूब फेलियर्स मैंने देखे हैं, इसलिए मेरे पास. So I've experimented with everything that I wanted, whether good or bad.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
That is what we needed.
That is about somebody else. And there's nothing that I have in terms of that I would repent. But yes, there have been a couple of failures that I did. Which are again okay. How does it matter? What is important is that I've enriched out of all that. I'm sitting in front of you and you are sitting in front of me. And we are talking to each other. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Love you, dear.
Thank you so much.
सोचा नहीं था तुम ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछने वाली हो. बड़ा कोई करियर के लिए पूछेंगे, ये पूछे. मैंने कहा मेरे बारे में पूछा है तो सबसे मस्त है. I'm okay about it.
Because you have been an inspiration always.
Thank you, dear. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
We had Gulshin. She was waiting to connect with me. So Gulshin, I'm going to take you. So please don't leave. ये कौन है? ये आशु को मेरे आपके कॉलेज में टीचर्स की कमी है? कोई कमी नहीं है. आपको कमी दिख रही है. बिल्कुल भी कोई कमी नहीं है. आप चिंता ही मत करो. बहुत लोग आना चाहते हैं, बहुत लोग काम करना चाहते हैं, हम उन्हीं को रखते हैं जो हमारे हिसाब से काम कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि हमें हमारे स्टूडेंट्स में फुल्ली इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए एफर्ट के साथ जुड़े हुए रहते हैं. सो आई डोंट थिंक कि किसी की कमी है, क्योंकि क्लास साइजेस एंड नंबर्स आर लेस, so we don't take big numbers in a classroom, so we have our own faculty which is in place. There is this die hard whom I'm sending it again and again. रौनक आना चाह रहा है. रौनक आपकी रिक्वेस्ट मैं एक्सेप्ट कर रही हूँ, लेकिन आप तक नहीं जा रही है. Okay, waiting for die cast दीवाना. I like the name. लफंगी बोलता है मैम he is man. Punnu, I did share that how a designer can have his signature style. I just shared about that. Priyanka is saying if you look at on IGTV again the session, you'll be able to see what all I have, conversations maybe that you've missed out. And definitely guys, you can go on to YouTube. All these Insta chats are again saved there on YouTube as well. And it's already there on IGTV. So do have a look at the other question and answer sessions that I've had every Thursday with other people. So that can always be there. So Priyanka is asking, ma'am, can you guide me about my startup? How can I reach to the end customers? I've started my startup in jewelry. Bilkul bete, I can tell you, and we'll just take somebody in. Diecast is not able to join, unable to join aa raha hai uska. So meanwhile, I was looking at Gulshin. Gulshin, are you there and you want to again join in with me, or you've left the place, dear? Never mind. Ronak, I'm again going to try and add you. Aapka internet ka issue hai. Art has amazing faculty. You can get out the best in you. Thank you, Label Arushi. Wow, Arushi, thank you so much for joining. So Arushi has just graduated and she has started her own label. And we are so happy and glad for her. So Arushi, congratulations for starting your label. And thank you for endorsing that as well. So we have our own students who are here to endorse us. So I don't need to do that. Diecast Divana. Megha, can you ask Gulshin because she was waiting for a long time. अच्छा प्रियंका, आप अपने ज्वेलरी स्टार्टअप को आप कस्टमर्स तक पहुंचना चाहते हैं. बेटे अभी थोड़ा सा see if you've started now, you have to first look at कि when you started the business आपने क्या सोच के पहले शुरू किया. पहले तो मुझे ये बताइए, आपने अगर ऑलरेडी रिसर्च कर रखी थी आपका कस्टमर बेस कहाँ है, तो अब आप ये क्वेश्चन आपको शायद पूछने की जरूरत नहीं होनी चाहिए. अगर आपने ये रिसर्च नहीं करी है और आप वापस पीछे जाइए और वापस शुरू करिए पहले अपना काम. पहले रिसर्च करिए बहुत अच्छे से कि आप जो बनाना चाहते हो वो कैसे, आपने प्रोटोटाइप करके क्या मार्केट टेस्ट किया था, क्या आपने उसका फीडबैक लिया लोगों से. और अगर आपने ये सब काम नहीं किया तो आपको अब कस्टमर अभी नहीं मिलेगा फिर. So if you've not done this part of the process, the part of the process of market research, if you've not looked at your client profiling, if you've not looked at your product, traction, if you've not seen all these things, then it's a very ambitious, it's like a pipe dream, you've just started it. Without being, or you need great intuition to know what's going to be acceptable in the market. Your market intelligence has to be there. अगर वो सब आपने नहीं किया है तो फिर आपको मार्केट में कस्टमर का चैलेंज आएगा, नहीं तो मार्केट में आपको कस्टमर का चैलेंज आना नहीं आएगा. So yes, but because the market is changing at a very dynamic pace right now, so definitely what you've done as a research in the past may not be relevant right now to you at all. You might have to start in a fresh new way because you're young, you're a startup, you have to constantly invest on research, on market analytics, you have to look at psychographics, you have to look at what's going on, what is your signature style, who are the people who will invest with you. These are a couple of questions you have to hammer yourself with, because these are the questions that you will be posed again and again. Whether you are 10 years, अगर आपका startup चल भी गया तो भी आपको rapidly अपने आप को reinvent करना पड़ेगा. So you have to look at these questions ongoingly. Did I answer your question, Priyanka? नहीं मैम, फैमिली बिजनेस है ज्वेलरी का so got into that. Okay, so if it is your family business, my dear, you are the new generation. The new generation knows the new generation, right? Maybe your family business, the traditional family business, was not catering to the business with the client that you are thinking of. So they must have had a different kind of clientele. Now, if you are looking at a different kind of clientele, then you will have to need to do it yourself. You will need to invest yourself in that time, and आपको अपने business की तरह उसको सोच करके, rather than being it a family business. Family business से अगर आपको resources मिले तो ये आपके लिए बहुत बड़ा plus point है. You are lucky to have gotten all those resources, but you have to start, as you said, you are a startup. Think you are a startup. You are not into a family business, which is going to keep feeding you. You have to feed the business. It's the other way around. Right? So maybe there's more time that there needs to be invested with people, finding some kind of analytics, understanding the dynamics. Yes, but abhi to all the best ones are also going through recession, because we all are going through recession, right? The purchasing power have gone down. People are not investing into luxury products. So jewelry is a luxury right now. I don't think I have shopped in the last 6 months. I have done any shopping. I've not done any shopping whatsoever. So you don't need to. So I mean, right now it's not about, jewelry is not a need right now, right? So in fact, if I look at my wardrobe, things that I'd not used because of all the daily hustle and bustle, I've taken out all those things and I'm using them. So that's the opportunity people are taking right now. So yes, it is a lull period and we all have to accept it. Thank you, Priyanka. I hope I have been able to give you some insights. Yeah, so we were now, anybody else who's interested? So I think the time is over. We've exceeded the time, 52 minutes. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining me. And I have enjoyed these sessions with you. So Gulshin is here, though she left, but she has written something. Depression is always a reason. Agar aap khud ko motivated rakhoge, then it never matters. As a designer and artist, you always have an inbuilt talent in you to keep yourself motivated. Very well said, Gulshin, and I think it's wonderful. You two are, that's exactly what I would have said, So I was taking admission in IVS school, but due to loan problem, I refused. So you can contact Arch College of Design and Business and visit our website and meet Megha Jain, Diecast Divane, and maybe you can find your dreams get fulfilled. We've actually invested with more than 7,000 young people already who found their career. When I started in 2 rooms from my residence, I had 60 students in just 2 rooms. Can you imagine? These were the people. These were my ambassadors. Year after year, our ambassadors grew, and we had so many students who came to us just by word of mouth. I didn't have the money to go and invest like the big universities have lots of funds, and nor do we do it today. But these are the people, our students are our mouthpiece. People like Arushi, who are generous, who are humble, to acknowledge. आज की तारीख में acknowledgement और humility बहुत missing है. लोग जहाँ पढ़ते हैं उस जगह को acknowledge नहीं करते हैं. वो हमें अपने जहाँ जो हमारी जैसे हमारा जन्म स्थान है, हमारा परिवार है, जहाँ हम पढ़े लिखे हैं, हमने जो भी सीखा है हमें उसे एक्नॉलेज करना है. हम सब पैसे से तोलने लग गए हैं आजकल हर चीज को, तो शायद कहीं एक्नॉलेजमेंट का सेंस खत्म हो गया है. सो वी ऑल नीड टू एक्नॉलेज द स्पेसेस वेयर वी हैव एजुकेटेड, we've got our journey got fulfilled, we have found our dreams, and yes, they have given us a stepping stone. So I think it's a great time in the COVID times to be humble, to be graceful, and to acknowledge everything that you have around you. Thank you so much for being here with me tonight, and look forward and see you next Thursday again. We'll chat more. Thank you.